So for my Excel project, I decided to do my information on the San Antonio Spurs starting five, scoring throughout the first four playoff games. So as you can see, Derek White scored 16 in the first game, 17 in the second, 36 in the third, and 8 in the fourth. So my first step was to underline and bold the title and then wrap text, and I would do the same with the other information. The third step was to auto sum to get the scoring totals. So I would auto sum Derek White, Bryn Forbes, DeMar DeRozan, LaMarcus Aldridge, and Jakob Poeltl all separately. I would also use the auto sum to get the totals. Then I'm going to put in a formula. So I'm going to find the percentage of scoring, I'm going to use F5 for Derek White's scoring totals throughout all four games. I'm going to divide it by F10, which was 320, but I'm going to use the dollar signs in front of F and in front of 10. So that's going to get 24%, and then I'm going to just drag it down. Then for the summary, I'm going to use Sparklines. That's another visual. So I'm going to go to Insert, I'm going to go to Sparklines, I'm going to click on Line, and for the place, I'm going to click on, or type in H5. I'm going to change the sparkling color to red. I'm going to do high point and low point, and then I'm just going to drag it down. So I'm going to use the high point and low point. So it's just a better visual. So the high point, obviously, that's 36 points for Derek White, and the low point was 8 points. So that was his highest scoring game throughout the four games, and lowest scoring game throughout the four games. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the scoring totals and percentage of scoring. I'm going to use Command Control to get all five of the players. I'm going to go to Insert, Recommend Graph, and I'm going to do Clustered Column Line on Secondary Access. So that's going to make a little bar chart. Just going to make it a little bigger. So for the right side information, they're decimals right now, and I want that in percent. So I'm going to go to Text Options. Axis Options. I'm going to go to Number. And I'm going to go to General, and I'm going to switch that to percentage. So there we go. I'm just going to get rid of the legend and delete that. And for the chart title, I'm going to switch that to scoring total. Now I'm going to go to home, and we're going to bold and underline the title. Then I'm going to go to chart design, and I'm just going to click on the sixth one. I just think that's just a better visual. So the orange line is just going to show the percentage. So if I go over Jakob Poeltl, he scores 9% of the starting 5 points. And then if I just go to the blue chart, it shows the 29 points he scored throughout the four games.